Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to clear Snapchat cache. So clearing your Snapchat cache can free up storage and fix issues like slow performance or glitches. So it won't delete your memories, chats, snaps, or account data. So to start, open Snapchat. Next, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right. Now, once you're here, scroll down to privacy controls or account actions on some versions. So once you see privacy controls, so tap clear data. Now, once you tap clear data, so at the bottom, you should see clear cache. Tap on it and tap clear to confirm the action. So it's now clearing cache. Give it a moment and click OK. So Snapchat will be closed, then open it again. And that's basically it. If Snapchat is still having problems, so you can open your phone settings, then scroll down to General, then go to iPhone storage. Once you're here, scroll down and look for Snapchat. If you can find it, click Show All, then click Snapchat, then click Offload App, then click Offload App again to confirm the action.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So once reinstall app appears, click on it and just wait for it to finish installing. So once this is done, open Snapchat again and try again and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.